Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Subchiplan. In this series, we'll try to deep dive and try to give you an intro on Dynamics 365 Business Central. What is Dynamics 365 Business Central, that you will come to know in this video. So exactly what is Business Central? You might be planning for a new course to learn Microsoft Business Central, Dynamics Business Central, and what is the fundamental of Microsoft Dynamics Business Central, that we will discuss today. This is just an intro video so that you can get an idea that what is Business Central. Then we will, in our series, we will deep dive in depth. So what is Dynamics 365 Business Central? It is actually a cloud-based ERP solution of Microsoft ecosystem. Okay, Microsoft has many business applications, right? It has Microsoft Dynamics 365 customer engagement, Microsoft 365 finance and operations. Like that, Microsoft business application has another important ecosystem that is called as Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, which is actually designed for specifically for small and mid-scale industry or businesses. Instead of juggling separate tools to manage their accounting, finance, inventory, then the sales structure, reporting, Business Central is actually bringing all that into one connected platform. You do not need to buy separate CRM and separate finance operations. So Business Central is actually a package for small and medium scale industry that actually can be used to manage everything that is required for a SMB. For example, as I told you, accounting, finance, inventory, warehousing, right? Everything is there in the platform. So it is a software, or you can say it is a cloud-based platform or a tool that you can use for your business to manage your data, whether it is a inventory or whether it is a sales or reporting or everything, right? So Business Central brings all this into one connected platform. That is very important. On this slide, you can see the four pillars of the Business Central. One is finance and accounting, right? Next, supply chain management and supply chain with inventory. Then sales and customer service, and reporting, and then insights, right? And because it's cloud based, I'm just giving a pen here, just a moment. So because it is a cloud platform, as I told you, it is cloud platform. So it's part of the larger Microsoft Dynamics 365 family. As I told you, Dynamics 365 is a family which is having customer engagement, CRM part, finance operation part, then Business Central, then we have other also like HR, commerce, right? But this is designed for small and medium scale industries, which means that it plays nicely with tools you probably already use like Outlook, Excel, Teams, right? Because Business Central is part of Dynamics family, it actually seamlessly integrate with other Microsoft products like Microsoft 365, then Office 365, or any tool, the productive tools you can think of. So by the end of the series, you will have a solid understanding of how Business Central works and how it can streamline operations for a growing company, growing business. Okay, so let's get started. How this Business Central plays important and crucial role in our businesses. Okay, so what a Business Central can do. This is very important to understand. First, you can manage your financial data, right? Financial data means you can manage your bank reconciliation, you can manage general ledgers, you can manage your chart of accounts, you can manage your account payables, receivables, right? So all financial reporting you can manage using this Business Central. Plus basically, everything you need to keep a clear picture of your company's financial health, Business Central is useful. Next, supply chain management. In supply chain, you will get to know that how inventory can be managed, purchasing, vendor management, warehousing, right? So you always know what stock you have and what needs to be recorded or reordered. Okay, then we come with sales and services, right? Sales and services are very much important because managing quotes, managing sales orders, basic CRM functionality like if you want to send an email to the customer, right? And customer service tracking, if you are serving to a customer, how to track the communications, all in one place. Okay, so you can manage sales and services under one hood or app called as Business Central. So on the second row, you will see that we have got project management also, which covers job costing, resource planning, and time sheets. Great for service-based and project-based businesses. Like I have a service-based industry, right? We are giving training services, we are giving consulting services. So project management is very much necessary for service-based companies. So reporting gives you real-time dashboards, and it integrates directly with Power BI for deeper insights, right? How in these days we use Power BI for better management or better business intelligence reports, dashboards, right? So Business Central can be deeply integrated with Power BI to generate reports and dashboards efficiently, right? Finally, manufacturing, right? In manufacturing, for companies that need production orders, capacity planning, and shop floor tracking, all these informations can be also managed in Business Central. So the big takeaway here is that there are not 6 separate tools bolted together, right? To manage finance, you should have a finance tool. To manage supply chain, you should have a supply chain tool, right? You do not need to have multiple tools to manage. Rather, under one hood, one app, Business Central, you can manage all together. Okay, so they all live inside one connected system. So data flow automatically between departments, no manual re-entry, no disconnected spreadsheets, right? So you understand, so one connected platform for core operations of your business, and it should be small and middle scale industries, not large scale industries. For large scale industries, we have finance and operations with more advanced features. Okay, so next we'll understand why choose Business Central. This is a very important question, right? Stakeholders, business owners always confuse that Dynamics has many products, what to purchase or what to take. So why choose Business Central? That is very important. First of all, grows with you. So with all that functionality in mind, why should a business actually choose Business Central over other ERP? There are other ERP options also, right? We have Salesforce, we have finance operations, there are many other ERP tools. Why Business Central? First, it grows with you. That means you can start small with just the core modules you need today and scale up as your business and headcount grows. That is very important. So start with small. There is no painful replatform or replatforming down the road, right? The same module, the same platform, you just need to scale it. Second, deep Microsoft integration, very important, because it's built by Microsoft. It works natively with tools that your team already knows. Outlook, Excel, Teams, Power Platform, people are already acquainted with, working with. So Business Central is combined with and tightly and seamlessly coupled or integrated with Microsoft Power Platform and Microsoft 365 options, right? So grow with you. Next, deep Microsoft integration. Next, cloud and mobile access. This cloud and mobile access is very important. What does it mean? Since it's cloud based, you and your team can run the business from anywhere. That is very important. So using a full featured web app or mobile app, you can access your Business Central from anywhere. No more being tied to a single desktop in the office. You can work with your business data from anywhere. So finally, enterprise grade security. This is very important feature or consideration point that people will choose Business Central over other ERP solutions, right? Enterprise grade security means what? It's built on Microsoft Azure. That is the important thing. So you get the same compliance and data protection standards that large enterprise rely on. Even if you are a small or mid-sized business, you will get that level of security for your data. So that's the big picture on why so many growing businesses are moving to Business Central. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, and if you have any requirement of Business Central training or Dynamics training, customer engagement training, finance operations training, Microsoft Azure training, or Power Platform, whatever, or C# full stack, any technology under Microsoft products, if you want to learn, just drop me a message or connect me. we have got a full series coming up, where we will go hands-on with each of these modules. So thank you for the time. For now, that's all. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.